Here's a video on how to clean and lube your motorcycle's chain. These are the products that I use. Kerosene for a modern style sealed chain. The spray bottle for the kerosene. A bottle with just water in it. And my choice for now, trying this out, this is my probably third or fourth time using this one. Liquid wrench chain and cable lube. And I also use this rolling stand down here. Makes life a lot easier, and I don't always feel like putting my bike up on its stand for a chain clean and lube, because it's such a short, small job. If you keep your chain clean regularly, it's an easy job. Do it every, 500 or 600 miles. Some people say 300 miles, but come on now. So all you do is you roll your bike up onto here, and then you can just put your bike in neutral and roll the tire, as you will see in the time-elapsed video of me cleaning it. Kerosene is fine for the modern sealed chains. Just spray it on there. Wipe it down, let it soak in a little bit, use the grunge brush. Grunge brush gets all sides. This thing is a life changer when it comes to cleaning and lubing your chain.